Hello guys, hope you have a nice day, and this is our new episode about experience booster series. Also, there is one important thing that we have to do, that is mental state or psychological state of trading. As you guys know, trading is very stressful and we need to meditate daily. I suggest to those who are new to trading and they want to get a little less stress, and also it's good to do. You can watch ASMR videos or something like that, but overall, let's get started and get closer to our chart. First of all, before practice on chart and share our experience together, remember one thing: market is just bullish. I said before on groups that I've chatted before, the main reason that why gold is now so high is this. Gold is now on highest point, ATH 834, and you can see it's very bullish and pumping. But if you are a good trader which believes on market structure, you don't get surprised with these prices. Just draw a line, as I said before, a channel, make it very easy, like this, and wait. And wait for one thing. Wherever channel breaks, you can expect to continue. But let me make this better. This will be the channel. Yeah, this is the channel. If market breaks this one, we can expect goes like this, but this scenario denied and market is now up. And no one can say where it will stops, but I can say. So if I want to do some magic for you, the lowest and the highest point of this, let me write with info line, yeah, here till here. As you can see, 159 days and it's about 62 degrees. And also, if I want to say these on, you know, around, yeah, around 1287 pips, and so it's a lot. It's a lot. Sorry, my mistakes. It's, let me check it. No, it's more. Pips. It's about 12. Yeah, sorry guys for calculating. It's about 9,580 pips here. And so for next one will be like this. And if you want to say that here, it will be here, and another run should be around 4,300, or we can say less than 50%, but now as I can see it's 50, it's more. Let me find Fibonacci, retrace. So this is the move that we can expect. Market goes like 50% here, and this is the 60%. Yeah, we can expect this one, but it's reverse as I can see. So as it goes to reverse, you can expect market stops around 3,857 zone, like 3,850 till 70, and then have a retrace till like 600 for a healthy market condition. But if it wants to go up like this, we can expect this zone 4,300. This is my prediction about bullish scenario, but bearish scenario can be different. I'm just saying that, and today is around 29th of September 29th, or I don't know what's date today. Honestly, yes, 29. It's 29th of September, and this is just my personal opinion. You can expect gold goes this zone or stops at this zone, and overall for healthy market condition, having a retrace here. So overall, we don't care about these things. Let's go for our video. Let me delete. I don't want to delete these. I want to save these. I will make it shorter because maybe we use this idea in future. And it will go like here. So overall, today we will talk about how to control our stress, and I will do it practical, not just saying do that or do not do that. First of all, as I said before, we should manage our timing for trading. So we just only trade on COMEX time. If you don't know what COMEX is, COMEX time or US stock time, which is different with Forex, COMEX is commodities exchange. For example, for platinum or gold or silver or other metals, you can trade on that time, which means be a little after, around 1 hour after that NY session. So, but we will just trade on high volume times, which means the overlaps. For example, when New York starts and London is keep going. For example, here, as you can see, once market start the New York session, it drops very high. So as a trader, I should know one thing for having less stress and being more professional. First of all, set one timeline for your trading. Second of all, wait to see if your strategy entry options available. And my girlfriend said yesterday to me, why you say available and you use available. Just saying it's very bold, and I said sorry. And after that, the third option, or we can say the third rule, should be one thing: close chart. Let me write this very big. Close chart if there is no trade for you, and come back tomorrow and I can say that this is important. And the next one is find some backtesting time during your non-trading hours. And the last rule, trade with only one or two symbol, like just one or two market, like only gold and only silver, or Bitcoin and gold, or euro and gold, not all the chart that you can see. Never trade randomly, because each strategy only works on the symbol that you backtested, because each rule is for your previous symbol, and if you want to do that rules on another one, you won't be get good results overall. This is the first things that you should do as professional traders. But let's analyze the market today and see if you guys listen to my voice, you would make money or not today or not with just only some lines. So first of all, London starts and we have some LQ market, which means this box or this channel. Let's write our box zones. One zone here, and it's not zone, it's dynamic SR. We can do that dynamic SR and make one dynamic SR for it, and this is our zone. We'll wait. Wherever breaks, we can expect more down. So as you can see, this one breaks and goes down. If you just listen to your dynamic SR, you should get this trade today. And if you don't want to listen to it, you could just wait after a pullback and get a trade again in the zone that breaks, like here. Get a trade here and get another one sell here with the last high, which means it will be here, and get another trade. If not, you can stop and don't trade these two, and you can do another thing. Market is now down. Set the low. Again, set for high. And boom, market shows. But there is something. It's barely touched this point, but as you can see, market touched with body, so it's available and it's valid for us. We don't care about rest. And again, we understand that market wants to go up, and now it's just one down leg. Again, we draw our dynamic SR again. Dynamic SR, and again it breaks this. Get a trade for up to, I don't know, here for example. Or if you don't want to do that, you can do another thing. You can say that we have a high here and we have a low here. We will wait till one of them breaks, and this one breaks, and then get a trade with the last low for a stop loss, and get a RR3 for one trade like this, and finish. And if you can see, we have another dynamic SR thing here. This one, another dynamic SR here, and you also can get a trade here. Set high as this and get another trade here. And after that, you can see you have another one. As you can see, you have another dynamic SR here. We can get another long position here with this low, and get a 3 here again. We just can get a 2 here, another leg. And after that, market shows some, as you can see, consolidation. Not really, but it's really bad time to trade because market golden hours are going to finish and like that. And if you don't want to get trade, for example, this time when market not showing good results, for example, you can just do one thing. Make a parallel channel like this. Make a good parallel channel. Let me fix it. Style. This will be, I don't want the background. So it's a parallel channel, as you can see. When in your parallel channel you get below 15, like here, below 50, sorry, below 50, like here, get buy, and top 50 at the top of it, get a sell. But we don't know this is a channel or not, so we don't trade this one because market is liquid and LQ or side. We will just wait for one thing. Market is now going up. Make our, as you can see, we make our SR. But if you want to see you are drawing good SR or not, or if you think this SR concept is from imagination, just come here and click on registration trend. Regression trend, sorry, regression trend, and then come here, for example, till here, draw it, and you can see you have the same line as well. But I personally use the highest or lowest point as entry, not these, and then I try to avoid hitting the body, just little shadows. And again, if you want to trade this way, you could get a short here, for example here with this high, and then get a 2 or 3 RR and stop the trade, for example, and finish the day because the rest of it is not moving a lot. So this is just a trading day that you can get with some lines. In next videos, I want to share more about order blocks and also FVGs, and also we will go a little higher information knowledge. And overall, hope you have a nice day and having a great trading career. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment me below what's your idea about future price of gold. Have a nice day.